What you think? Mom's new car? Hmm? No, hands off.
Dad.
Yeah, that's Dad. Drive.
Dad.
Yeah, that's Dad. Uh-oh, what happened? What was that? Turn it back off. Turn it off. Turn it off right here. Right there. There you go. Good job.
Uh-oh. He did it.
What?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what? Hey, uh-oh, what? Mm-hmm. Beep, beep. Is that how you drive? Show me how you drive.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what? Oh, Dad wants to clean the car.
Ha! Get all these handprints all over my new windows, huh? Look at that. Yep.
What year is this?
12. Oh, why are you beating me? Oh. Well, I bought you a truck too. Oh.
Wipe his snot off.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate that.
Okay.
Okay.
Look at what Daddy's doing. Get back there.
Oop, wrong one. Oh. The front. See if it will close it.
What thing?
It's
Oh.
by your steering wheel on the left side. Look it. It's gonna close us in here. Now we're locked in here. We're trapped. How do we get out? How do we get out? We're stuck in here. Yep, just get prints all over that window too. Yeah? Look at, there's cup holders back here too, and all kinds of space for random stuff for you to throw back here. We should put your car seat in the very back.
No.
Huh. Yeah, we should. Hey, careful your head. You're a little tall now. Yeah. Look at, Dad can stretch out and sleep back here. Oh, geez. Oh, God.
You ain't sleeping.
Mom and Dad could leave you at home and go camping in this thing.
Screw that. We'll just come and sleep out
I
here.
know, right? Yeah. Mom and Dad are gonna hide in this thing from you. That's the other one.
Yeah.
It's a light. Say light.
Light.
Say light. Say light. Okay, ignore me.
Say light. Say light. You're so excited, huh?
The fence.
That's pretty roomy.
Mm-hmm.
So the child safety, you have to use the key to work.
Well,
Not
we're
just
gonna
a little tab, not like
Yeah.
normal ones.
shut off my light.
Turn it off. Thank you.
Off. On.
That button doesn't work.
Off.
Oh. And play. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mom could fit a lot more groceries in here. What's that one do? Push it. Put some balls into it. Ah!
There we go.
That's right in Dad's face. Uh-oh. Yeah, Dad turned it off. Ow. What are you, E.T.?
Ow.
Ouch. Uh-oh. Oh! There's two of them!
Beat up, Daddy. Beat him up. He's like, I like this one. I can do it with one hand.
All right. Here, let's see. Let's put this other seat up. Here, go this way. I'm gonna put this other seat up. I want to try sitting back here with it. Just.
What's the problem?
Yeah, I want to sit in this one. Look at third row. Oh my goodness. There's still room for activities in here. Mom could load up all kinds of crap. She's even got little tie down freaking hooks back here for Mom. We might have to get Mom her own tie downs. This is where Dad's gonna chill. Beat the kid.
Or get beat by the kid.
Where you going?
He's gonna go drive.
You're gonna drive us around? You're gonna chauffeur Mom and Dad? Mom and Dad will sit in the very back and make out.
Where are we going? Hey, where are we going? Hmm?
Why don't you turn on the air? It's hot in here. Come on, kid. Thought you're chauffeuring us. Turn the air on.
Drive. What? I have no idea what that is.
So it says in the back of the seat right here to not put these.
Guess who's got Mom's keys? Open the door so he doesn't lock us out. shut it. I want to see what it looks like shut. Why'd you open the door? He'll lock us out.